Nice. Sweet. We are online. If you're in the chat, give me a thumbs up if the audio is working. I kind of want to see. And Happy New Year. Countdown for the New Year. Why not get ahead, as they say? So definitely going to be vibe coding for the website. Okay. I want you to completely rebuild the index.html page. And basically, here's... Ooh. Let's think about this. We have to build 3 websites at the same time here. So we have to kind of get a little bit organized with our tasks here. Perfect. Just use that. Now we've got this. Stella Room Shot, welcome. Our vibe coding a whole brand new website. Everything from digital products to mastermind. Can I join, please? Caleb, I love for you to join, but only if you're in my inner circle do I let join. I love the chat. Because then I could give you guys, oh my god. We had a one-on-one session with one of the members from the community today. Who did we go deep? We literally went from beginner, never written a single line of code, to now they're vibe coding, and they vibe coded this Pinterest content creation app. I think it's impressive. Because vibe coding is going to be one of the biggest things. No, invite you, Caleb. Do I know you, Caleb? Just try to remember. Look at your TikTok profile. No bio, no content. Caleb, where's your content? Caleb, you gotta publish content. Next time. But in the meantime, we are vibe coding, and what I need to completely rebuild. So we need a course page, a home page, and a mastermind page. 3 completely separate pages, basically. And I think the home page is going to also have the course page. That way it's super simple. And then, because I'm not going to lie. Let me see, hold on. I'm very inspired after Maria Wendt. Andrew, good to see you. Welcome. Yeah, the home page is the course page, and then you have the mastermind at the very top. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so it's going to be the home page that's going to be the new page. So I want you to completely rebuild the home page that in the same brand color, same style, but here is the text. It's going to have this text basically. Nice. You do we do web development, and you could drop your website for review. No one cares about websites. It's content. It's live streams. It's all about live streaming and creating content. Caleb, you should be actually creating content for promoting. No one cares about websites. This is more if you have traffic and you're going to be running ads for this basically. But one of the biggest things is I have ChatGPT on the side that has all the text for the page, and I want you to give me some text for the page that basically just for the top of the fold, that top of the fold that says what we offer, and then because I want to put my email list so they could like join the email list to get 5 days of free AI training delivered to their inbox. So that will be on the top of the fold. They scroll down, they see the courses, and then I'll ask for text for the sales page for the master or inner circle. Okay, so basically when you're vibe coding, you should have a coding partner, another conversation on the side, which you don't see right now. I'm using Genspark. I'm not using ChatGPT because he hallucinates so badly. So badly. And now we are basically going to build a new website that entails a homepage method, Okay. And let's see how this goes. Cool. And then we're going to spin up another conversation right here. I want you to build another page very similar to how I have one web page, previous web page, that has one not just the Levi but the AI consultant webpage. I think it was this one. Let's see. My main website is vibe coded with Codex. Nice. Very nice. Everyone's going to be vibe coding. That's going to be the main skill set. Is can you vibe code? Which here we're just kind of keeping things simple. Just trying to do a rebrand because at the end of the day, there's no point paying for Go High Level. Okay, so I want another one that's for the community access. I have a high ticket one-on-one coaching program, but I'm rebranding it basically, which is, I know, basically this is vibe coding. So that's Claude. Claude's building a new website. We just have to wait, kill time. While we kill time, trying to get, I think this is it. Oh, Coaching Academy. I had a coaching offer here. Yeah, we'll just create a new one. Did I just rename it as index? This is just, I think I just renamed it as this, index. Yeah, well, that's the academy. That's going to be now the inner circle. So, is that this one now? So Academy is going to be rebranded as Inner Circle. Yeah. That's it. Yep. Okay, cool. Cool. Rename. This is to rename to inner circle. Yes, Claude. Whatever you want. Do whatever you want, Claude. We're both tag teaming in here. Just working away. Claude's working on one file. I'm going to have another Claude work on another file, inner circle. Okay. So we need to rebrand this one. Okay, and then it's going to be why are you coding and not drinking? Why not do both? because coding is so much fun. Coding is so chill. Like that's Andre's like, dude, it's the new year and you're in the new year and you're coding away. Yeah, for the new year, I'm kind of like rebranding the whole website, but I'm actually redoing the whole business model. So it's actually simpler, scalable, buys back my peace of mind. So basically just courses only, one on demand, just a la carte. And then the other side is the mastermind where I could really go deep with members. So that's basically what we're building right now. I have Genspark on the side who's doing a lot of the strategy, and I'm cool with this. Yeah. I like this text. Okay, this is gonna be cool. This is gonna be good enough. So this is duplicate, copy this, paste. This is the rename, the archive. He's the 97 Academy. That's the old. That's going in the graveyard. Boom, we're in the graveyard. We have lots of graveyards, so just old websites that we just don't need anymore. How's the audio? Hope the audio's coming at least down. Okay, I know it's probably lagging, and that is something where I'm kind of maxing out all my bandwidth, pretty much. So hopefully the audio is at least coming through, more or less. It's kind of... Okay, so Claude Code is working away on one app. This one, now he's finished with the new index. Which I think this is what, this should now be Claude style. It's giving me a landing page, but I'm not happy with it. If you want to see it. I'm not too happy with at least version 1 of this. I know version 2 and 3, this is going to be... What if we just remove all of this and then remove all of this and make it look like this format. So I like, Michael Hyatt's mastermind program, the AI Business Lab. I like this really as like a funnel. Oh, it's going to lag a lot. More or less. I really like this format for Happy New Year, Harold. Happy on the TikTok. Hopefully some junk food places open. I'll go get some junk food. That would be so great. Well, this is... It's like kinda... We just want to make it simple, simple, simple. Simple, simple, simple. Claude Code. I agree. Make the course like this. Oh, I know the internet's gonna be lagging right now. Okay. Okay, I want you to create one new page that's a dedicated page that's Claude Code, single page HTML with all of the meta tagging and SEO type stuff. So in this one, I put an image of a format of, I just want the title, the subtitle, what's included, description, checklist, real simple. And then the button to buy now with the price, real simple. This will be a dedicated product page. Then I want you to recreate the new index page. Keep the current index page the way it is. I want you to duplicate it. And this index page, I want you to have just, when it loads, it just has real simple three things. It has join the free newsletter, courses, and actually it just has two things. One is the courses, and then second is the mastermind. So they could choose one of the two doors. And then when they choose on door for courses, it just goes straight to Claude, is the only course right now. And then the other one, I want you to create the page for the inner circle for the new one. Hey, on the radar. Good to see you. Happy New Year. Sorry, I was doing a voice to text command, trying to get this kind of thing going. Man, is Tommy's open? I don't know why I'm just craving like chili cheese fries. Some things may or may not be open. We will have to think about that. Actually, that sounds really good right now. How you doing, Jason? Hope you're doing well. Happy New Year. I think we can rip through this pretty quickly. What's that? Claude Code. Sorry, we're just hanging out. Just coding. Just coding with Claude Code at the end of the day. Well, building a new website. Trying to make it easier. Claude Code. Gray says, have you done the thing where it spins up the agents to tackle multiple tasks at the same time? I'm not that super developer level. I'm not like, honestly, I'm like single task focused. It's just, I'll just spin up different windows. I'm not like super developer advanced. I'm pretty much just good enough to be dangerous, to be like, fix funnels, websites, and then also to basically vibe code tools, basically. So it's like stuff that I need far beyond than custom GPTs. So that's the more important thing, is vibe coding has been so beneficial to automate a lot of like beautiful websites. And so this is letting Claude loose to clean up your laptop and run anti-gravity. That's the real cool thing, is like Claude gets super crazy good. He's probably, I think everyone's going to end the year with a Claude Code subscription, basically. Oh, yeah. But that's the fun thing, is just let Claude go and play. Oh, websites. Actually,